Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming what you have: a wired Xbox 360 controller or the wireless version with a receiver. If wireless, plug the official Xbox 360 wireless gaming receiver into a USB port. Windows may not auto-install the right driver. Once done, connect the controller or press the receiver's sync button. Make sure to use a rear USB port when possible for steady power, and avoid hubs. This reduces connection drops and speeds up driver detection. Now focus on drivers. Open Device Manager and scan for Xbox 360 peripherals or an unknown device flagged with a yellow icon. If Windows didn't install drivers, download and run the Microsoft Xbox 360 driver package. Run the installer as administrator and reboot when prompted. Once rebooted, open Control Panel, right arrow Devices and Printers, right arrow, right-click the controller, right arrow Game Controller Settings to verify. Make sure to calibrate if axes feel off, because calibration fixes drift and mapping issues. Finish by testing input in the game controller's dialog and launch a game to confirm button mapping. Use third-party mapping tools if a game lacks native support. If it fails to appear, try a different USB port, uninstall and reinstall the driver, then power cycle the controller and receiver. For wireless setups, swap batteries and resync. Low power often mimics driver faults. One key troubleshooting tip: always check Device Manager for a yellow warning. Right-click and update or reinstall that specific driver to resolve most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.